In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your name on UpScrolled. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here, UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change your name, you'll have to go to the profile interface. In order to do that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit the profile informations. Tap on the field of name. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the name. So what you have to do is erase the initial name. After you do that, what you have to do is enter the new name over here. You can enter up to 50 characters. Once you're done, tap on the done icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the right icon again. Now once you do that, your profile will be updated. You can see over here your name has been changed. So that is how you change name in UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.